No hesitation, boys.
Here we go, boys. Let's go.
Let's go, boys. Wolves on 3. 1, 2, 3. Wolves! Here we go, baby. All night long, boys. All night long. Let's go, Sudsy. Let's bring that toughness tonight, huh? Bring that fucking toughness. Bring that toughness. Starts with us. Starts with us.
Hey, it's enough talk now. It's time to play. Let's react and we'll work these guys. Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Black Wolves on 3. 1, 2, 3. Black Wolves. I got here. All day, baby. That's all day. That's all day. Birdsy, I'm with you. I got your low.
Great, Bill. Good pressure. Good pressure. This side, right? I'll pick, and the same guy's coming on the back side, okay?
I'm sliding hard if...
So you're running at that guy at center. Just make sure, right? Because they changed the rule this year. If you run right through him, it's a penalty.
How far do we have?
Well, it's not about how far you have. You got to just break down. Okay, just break down, slow your feet.
Don't blow them up.
Yeah, exactly.
Thanks. Yeah. Mate, you got my low here. You got my low.
Yeah, buddy, I got you.
Hey, 3-man side here. Get out! Oh! Stay. Pack! Get over!
Come on. Let him get it!
Get up! Go, Truth. Strip! Burnsy, I'm low here. Jay, I'm your low. Jay, I'm your low. Yep, you're low.